My name is Paulis Barnaba Kessy. I'm District Agricultural and the Irrigation Officer in Arusha District Council. Our council has been one among the beneficiaries of the EWA-BELT program, and we benefited in several wards in our district like Kisongo, Musa, Lengijave, which are the areas which are mainly affected by soil erosion. The researches that has been taken by the project of EWA-BELT are helping us develop innovations that will prevent or rehabilitate the soil to its natural or production state as it was from the beginning. So, since the beginning of the program, the EWA-BELT program has been participating as or has been engaging the low area or the low communities, the middle at the district level, and the national implementators in carrying out the program and in collaborating all the community in the development of the EWA-BELT program. The good thing I experienced in this program of EWA-BELT is being participatory. It involves different stakeholders at the different stages of the program, which helps us rectify whenever a problem was seen or observed, and anything that would have caused our program not successful, we managed to solve it earlier and at different stages. Lastly, our expectation after the completion of the project of EWA-BELT, we expect that the EWA-BELT project will develop innovations that will help our farmers in rehabilitating their soils at the area of soil erosion, and also some innovations that will help the area of high content of fluoride in the soil to eradicate or to reduce the fluoride problem in our areas. So we expect the community to have some innovations that will enable them solve the problems they had in their production of crops. And lastly, we would like to thank EWA-BELT program for considering our district to be among the beneficiaries of the program.